Hello all the beautiful people. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Just Herbs products. I ordered some of these products to try and share my experience with you. So let's just do it together, okay? So I'll just open this pretty baby here. Okay. So in this video I'm just going to show you which all products I ordered. Okay, we will not go in much details, just wanted to show you which all products I ordered. I just love the sound of this. Just love it. Okay, let's just place them nicely so that we could see which all products are there. Okay, this and this. Okay, so let's start from these two. These are the same product. I just ordered two because I just cannot imagine my life without kajal. So this is Nenam Day Long Kohl Kajal Stick, the black in color. I'm not going to go in details. I'll share all these things in my next video, in which I will do unboxing of all these products individually, and I'll use them and I'll show you how does it look and share my experience basically. Alright, so all the details are on the back side, all the ingredients, direction. The price is $2.95, which is not bad. Okay, so these three things are the same thing, just in different color. Yes, so these are also Nenam Day Long Kohl Kajal. Okay, just the ingredients are a little different because in this they said they mentioned sweet almond plus vitamin E. Okay, but in this they have organic jojoba seed oil plus vitamin E. Okay, that doesn't matter at all to me. I will just try them and then share my experience. So these three are in different shades. This one is electric blue, which is my favorite one. This one is emerald green, which is also my favorite. I have so many favorites. That's fine. And this is evergreen black. And there is one more amazing thing about these kohl stick. They are providing free sharpeners inside in these bags because you need sharpener to sharpen them out. These are not roll-on ones. Alright, so now this is cute pack of 8-in-1 eyeshadow lipsticks from Just Herbs. Okay, they're saying this is highly pigmented, long lasting, smudge proof. Okay, we'll see all of these things in my next video. Not going to go in details. Alright, all the ingredients and direction to use are on the back side, and the price is $6.45 INR. Okay, which is not bad for a set of 8 different shades, trust me. And this little baby here is a set of 5 herb enriched matte liquid lipstick kit. Okay, these are liquid lipstick kit. With the price of this is $7.45 for a set of 5 lip shades, which is not bad either for this beautiful set of 5 beautiful shades. Okay, so now I'm going to end this video here, and in the next video I'm going to do the individual unpackaging and trying them out, and will share my review with you guys. I hope you like my video, and if you like them, then please do like my video and subscribe, and please. Alright, bye bye, thank you so much.